What's up, guys? So I just moved to a different part of Bali. I'm in Chang now, and today I'm gonna go and show you our villa. We got a sweet spot with some friends, really awesome. Close to the beach here, about 5 minutes. So check it out. Really excited about this place is right when you walk in, there's like an awesome koi pond. Hey you guys. So I've always wanted a koi pond and these guys are awesome. So it kind of feels like the theme of this home seemed to be kind of like this modern Japanese feel. So come on in. So we just got here a couple days ago, so it's a mess. There's stuff everywhere, so I figured I'd go ahead and give you guys a show anyways. This is like our outdoor area. This is where we do training. I'm starting to do training every day. Nice cool kind of Goda areas here. This is nice. I can imagine having some meditation sessions right here, or something kind of low key. I don't know exactly what to use the space for. Right now, there's a lot of space throughout the house. We originally thought it was a 4-bedroom house. And then we found out that there was one bedroom that wasn't considered a bedroom, and this was because it didn't have a bathroom. And so in Bali, all bedrooms are considered real bedrooms if they have a bathroom. And so this one didn't, so it wasn't listed as a 5-bedroom, just a 4-bedroom. But then we came in and we found out that actually this room was perfect. So this is the podcast room, and this is probably the most set up room in the house so far. These guys are having a meeting here.
Well, get the. Where's the camera?
Where the kid? Oh, nah, that's alright.
We could just attach it to this camera right now. So you get 2.
2? Oh no, we'll just finish filming here. Okay. These guys are always watching out. See? So this is awesome being here. It's like everybody's a creator, and oh, it's gonna be dope. Training and just awesome conversations all the time. So this was one of the mysterious rooms that I forgot who discovered. It wasn't me. So now this is gonna be an awesome podcast room. So you're gonna be seeing a lot more videos and all kinds of stuff coming from here. Yeah. Oh dang. Mike's folks are in town, so it's gonna be awesome. I'm dinner with them tonight. And let's go, I'm gonna show you the mysterious other bedroom. Actually, I'll show you right now. This will be really cool. So that was bedroom number 5. That was really cool. And then we were like out here talking, figuring things out. And then my friend Ryan goes, "Yo guys, did you realize that there is a room downstairs?" And then so we never knew that this actually existed down here. And so this is where our housekeepers hang out at, and we're gonna be doing some renovation down here. But this was like this discovery. We had no idea that this existed. This is like, we're gonna have to do a lot of painting and all kinds of stuff down here. So what you guys are seeing is pretty much the before. I have no idea what we're gonna do down here, except the fact we're gonna do something. Because it's a little living room, little kitchen set up over there. We got a full bedroom. And this is the restroom. So it needs some work. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do. You guys will find out once we finish it up. I'll make another video on it. And apparently they don't count this as a room because this is where the housekeeper and the maid was staying. They were living in. So we negotiated with the owner to be able to utilize that room, do what we like with it, and have them not live in with us. Because I don't know, it's kind of weird to have random strangers kind of live in with you, you know. So let's take a stop in the kitchen. And oh, she just ran off. Mike's mom was in here cooking up something, and she just ran off. And this was a surprise. Whoa, where did you come from? We found her. She just kind of showed up on the property, meowing non-stop. And yeah. So I guess we may have a new kitty. We'll see. And how did you get in? She's supposed to be outside. Hey, go outside. Not supposed to be inside. Outside. All right. Let's continue. So these are the bedrooms. The people's private bedrooms. We're not gonna go in there. This is one bedroom in here. This is like Mike's bedroom. Goes into like a deck and all this stuff. And here is 2 extra bedrooms. And we're gonna go in there. So I'll just show you mine upstairs. So these are really cool. This is also an interesting place because it's got like mirrors everywhere. And I've never been to a place that has many mirrors. So this is my place up here. It's an interesting layout. So here's like the bedroom. And again, everything is pretty messy right now. So I can't believe I'm showing you guys, but yeah, well, doesn't matter. Just how it is. I really love it up here because there's a lot of privacy because we got a lot of activity going on in the house all the time. It's gonna be like the space where people come by and create. We film, we collab. We'll be doing events here and stuff like that. So if you guys are in town, you know, give me a shout out. Maybe we can come by and chill. So I love the view up here. I love this deck. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with it yet. You know, maybe put some furniture here. We'll see. This is the first time I've ever seen this. So there's like this interesting walk path around the bedroom and around the restroom. I have no idea what it's for. It's kind of cool, interesting. And also along this side. So far, I just put my table right here. Maybe have like an outdoor area. I'm not even sure yet, to be honest. Yeah, and this wraps around. And avoid the mess. There's like, we're totally organizing everything right now, so it's like pretty crazy. And this is our shower. And these things are really cool because the doors open up. So it's kind of cool. So I feel like I'm kind of like outdoor as I'm doing a shower. So it's kind of interesting. So this will be cool when we throw like events, things like that. We have a place where people to park. Oh, look at this, dude. Freaking, we were trying to figure out what the heck it was. Then we found out it's like a generator, like a compound here. Oh, it's kind of cool. Never had one of those before. We got her. Okay, alright. That's Mike's mom. She's cooking chicken. She's a little camera shy. So, All right, so that's it. It's kind of like a short little tour of the place, and let's see how it goes with the space. You know, you guys are gonna see a lot more videos coming from here, and we've got a lot of interesting things we're gonna be doing. So, see how it goes.